Hey, it's Zach from Ignite Firing Systems. The purpose of this video is to show you how to design a show to music using the Ignite Show Designer software. Looking to keep it patriotic, maybe like rock and roll or some country? Or maybe you're really after that electronic dance music. Audio simply adds emotion to your fireworks show. So let's take advantage of that. And don't worry, in this video, we're going to walk you through each step. If you haven't already watched our video on creating an automated show, I definitely recommend watching that first. We've provided a link in the description below. Are you ready? Let's begin. We'll start by clicking on My Shows and opening an existing show that we've already created. Let's choose 4th of July. After opening the show, let's go ahead and access the Ignite Audio Studio for the show. You can access this by clicking the MP3 icon in the lower left of the screen. The Audio Studio will list all of your available audio files. Since we don't have any, no audio files is displayed. Now, to add a song you wish to use in your show, click Add New in the upper right corner. This will allow you to select or drag and drop an MP3 file from your computer. Now, if you don't own an MP3 file, don't worry. We'll add a separate tutorial at the end of the video showing you how to purchase an MP3 audio file from Amazon.com. Let's go ahead and choose a file and click Upload. This will only take a few moments. You can repeat this as many times as you like. So let's go ahead and add a few more MP3 files. Excellent. You've uploaded a few MP3 files to the Ignite Audio Studio. Think of this interface as your own personal fireworks music database, ready for that next killer fireworks display. Side note, you can click the menu option on the right to rename or delete audio files later. This will allow you to keep your audio files in Ignite Show Designer nice and organized. Now, you may say, Zach, this is great that I can choose from a single audio file, but how do I make a full soundtrack for my show? No problem. This is where the combined audio feature comes in handy. Simply click Create File at the top of the screen, give it a name, and select from one or more of your audio files that you've previously uploaded. You can even reorder the files to create that perfect soundtrack. Don't worry, if you need to make a change, you can easily come back and reorder these at any time. Once done, click Save, and wait a few moments for the audio file to process. Excellent. Now that you've uploaded MP3 files and created an audio soundtrack, let's go ahead and select the soundtrack for your show. To do this, simply click the Select button next to the desired audio file or soundtrack. Once selected, the audio file will load into the show and display in the audio waveform at the bottom of your screen. You can now use the waveform to play your show and watch the events fire at the desired times. Okay, so a cool feature, you can even zoom in and see more detail, but also drag and drop existing events into the desired position. To add events, you can click on the desired position in the waveform and click Add Event. Don't worry, you'll get the hang of it, it's super simple. Now, one really cool feature that we've built into Ignite Show Designer is a feature that allows you to change the audio playback speed to allow for fine-tuned event adjustment. Basically, you can slow down the audio to allow for better control of placing the events in the waveform. Or you can also
Speed up the music.
To change the playback speed, click the playback rate icon from the lower right. We'll go ahead and choose 0.25 to represent 1/4 speed. Now let's go ahead and play that back and realign an event. Awesome, you've successfully added an audio soundtrack to your show and placed some events on your timeline. Once the show is imported into the Ignite app using the 4-digit show code or the QR code, the audio will download along with the script. To play the audio during the show, you can physically connect your phone or tablet to a sound system using a 3.5mm auxiliary connection, or you can use your phone's Bluetooth connection if your sound system supports that. Now, if you don't already own MP3 files, let's give you a quick demonstration on how to purchase MP3 audio files from Amazon.com. To begin, simply go to www.amazon.com on the same computer you are using the Ignite Show Designer on. Make sure you're logged into your Amazon.com account. Then, from the search, enter the song name and artist you're looking for. For example, we'll use Thunderstruck by AC/DC. Then, click Search. From the search results, find the result that displays MP3 music next to it and click on it. Then, you'll see the option to purchase the song. So you'll want to go ahead and click Buy Now. Then, once you complete the transaction, you're given the option to download your MP3 audio file. Once downloaded, the file should be in your Downloads folder. You can leave it here or place it into a separate folder where you organize your music. Then, using the previous steps we've outlined in this video, you can upload the MP3 file into the Ignite Show Designer for creating and editing your next firework masterpiece. Well, as always, if you have any questions or simply need some help, feel free to reach out to us at ignitefiringsystems.com. We're always happy to help.